When a person lives in harmony with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance, 100% the internal conflicts will lessen. Even if there's no guarantee that the external hardship will go away. External hardship come to awliya, it comes to anbiya. In fact, martyrs have just become martyrs through external hardship. The main idea from this, peace comes not from controlling circumstances, but from aligning the soul to the divine. There is nobody in this world who doesn't have some form of difficulty. Difficulty is part and parcel of this world. Ya Allah, we still ask you for afiyah, but we're willing to deal with it if it happens, but Ya Allah, keep it away from us. That's our dua. It's a reality. Anybody who thinks it's going to be a world of no difficulty is going to be is there for a very huge, rude surprise. Islam does not define peace as constant happiness. It's a massive mistake, right, for people to think that, or emotional ease. That is not what peace is. True sakina, or tranquility, is the ability and that feeling of satisfaction and fulfillment you get from remaining rooted and steady even when life is difficult. That is much more valuable than having these snatches of peace when we find something new and materialistic. It's when the difficulty comes and we can still maintain our stability and our gravity. That is true peace. Many of us may be thinking that we have an unsettled heart. How do we get it settled? What is the issue? How do I diagnose this? So I want to just make ourselves feel good that it's not all lost. The heart was not created to wander endlessly, as we're allowing it to do right now. It was created to return. And in returning to Allah, it will find that peace, because ultimate peace is going to be through returning to Allah in the hereafter anyway, in Jannah, and in the company of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to deal with this paradox, relieve our problems, gravitate our heart, and settle it according to His design. Ya Allah, make it easy for us, because it is not easy. Grab us by the forelock and make us of your chosen ones. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.